Hi everyone. So now I'm going to show you how you can update your visits and log from your Salesforce mobile app. So the moment you open your Salesforce mobile app, you can come to your dashboard homepage, and then whichever dashboard you want to view, you can view it right from your mobile app, right? So anyway, let's come to account. For an example, you are visiting a particular account today and you want to update your visit through mobile app. So you can just search that particular account. If it is there in the list, it's good. Otherwise, you can come here and search. So I'm searching test account, right? So example, there are many test account. I'm opening one particular test account called test account Pratanu. Okay. So I came to this particular company. I came to this account. So now I want to log my visit here. How do I do that? So top you can see there is a edit button, and next to that there is a check-in button. So click on check-in. Once you click on check-in, your check-in page will open. Okay. So there is a checkout pending, so it is asking me to clear my previous checkout. So I'm completing my previous checkout here. Okay, so once my previous checkout is done, then only I can do new check-in. So let me create a new check-in here. So when I think okay, so let me do check-in over here. If you can select what is the purpose of visit. So for an example, you are coming here for some sales follow-up, to select follow-up. If you have any contact, you will get it in the list. So select the contact. Mode of conveyance, you came here through bike. Okay, which brand, you can select the brand here. It is taking almost the right location. Click check-in. So check-in is done. So you have checked in. After that, what you will do? You will meet the client, you will do all the discussion, follow up, and everything. So once that is done, you need to check out. So how do you do checkout? We can give you a checkout button next to check-in in the same page, but I think it was requested by your team, somebody from your team, that no, we do not want checkout in this page. So to do checkout, you need to go to the visit record you have created. Okay, so you can see here the fourth visit record that we have created. you know uh, just one second, keep my phone in mute. Yeah, so the fourth record, here checkout is pending. So what I will do here, I will click on checkout button. So the moment you click on checkout button, it will ask you to write what happened in this meeting. You do not have to type it manually on the screen. You must be having a mic button. So click on checkout button and you can check out. So your checkout is done. Okay, so when your checkout is done, you will be able to see the details. Ki total visit duration was 1 minute, your meeting summary, your check-in time, checkout time, and all these things you will be able to see here properly, right? So this is about your visit. Now say for an example, you are not coming here. You are not coming to this particular account. You are doing a telephony follow up. You are at office and you called them or whatever, right? So then how do you update your activity? So to do that, here on the top, you have three buttons. Next to post, there is a more button. In this more, you have option you have option for log a call. The fourth button you can see log a call. So the moment you log a call, after you have done a follow up, here on the, how did the call go, you can click on that and then again click on the mic button. That is done, you can save this log a call. So whenever you will save it, what will happen, this call will be updated. Where you will see that particular call, see below there is a recent activity, right? So in this recent activity you will be able to see the call, right? So I did a few call log in sometimes back, so those are coming. Now for an example, you need to schedule another call. I can see there is a call already scheduled on 30th of Jan, but you need to schedule one more call. Okay, how do you do that? Again, you need to click on more button on the top, and then there is a new task option. So when you click new task, subject, you can write the subject, example, follow up call. Details, why you want to do the follow up call. So if you want to write the details, you can ignore it anyway, but if you want to write the details, you need to click on this phone again. Once you have done that, you need to give the due date when you want to do it. Example, you want to do it on 31st. Okay, you can set up the priority over here. Example, it's a high priority task, you want to get a reminder for this task, you can set up the reminder and you can save it. So once you do that, your call has been scheduled. You can see here 31st of January there is a call has been scheduled. So this is how you can update your follow up, your visit notifications right from your mobile phone application. You can use it